How to combine photos on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Canva on your device. Now wait for some time. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Then tap on the search bar. Now type collage. Now select the collage format. Now tap on photo collage. Now choose any of the template. Now tap on the image. Then tap on the trash icon. Now tap on delete image. Now tap on replace. Now select the photo. Again select the second photo. Again tap on replace. Then select the second photo. Now adjust the position and click on save at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.